Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Now I'm going to discuss RS configuration of Allene biphenyl Spiro hemispiro compound. And you are saying this is Allene, and in Allene system, well, if there are two center, this carbon and this carbon atom, and here you are saying if you will see from this direction, and one bond is towards you and another bond is away from the you, and this carbon also this carbon containing two bond will be in one plane, and you are seeing from this direction, you are seeing from this direction. And then I will discuss about the orbital diagram. And this these two bonds are like this. These two pi bonds are like this, orthogonal to each other. That means this pi bond is perpendicular to this bond. Hence, this is achiral. Hence, this is chiral center. Chiral center, and the plane which will pass through this molecule can divide into two equal half. Hence, it has no plane of symmetry. No plane of symmetry, hence it is chiral. Okay, then we will discuss the orbital diagram. And this is CH3 and hydrogen, and this is 3H3, and this one is hydrogen. You are seeing these two bonds are and you are seeing these two bond, these two orbital are already, this orbital is perpendicular to this bond, this orbital. Hence, and this orbital is perpendicular to this orbital. Hence, the two pi bond are like this. Okay. In such type of molecule like Allene biphenyl Spiro hemispiro compound, the n should be even. N should be number of double bond. Number of double bond should be even. Even in Spiro case, this is Spiro and an atom, and this is NO2. Okay, this is Spiro system. This ring also act as a double bond. Here, these two ring act as a two double bond, and n is equal to 2. So the number of double bonds should be even, not odd. If it is odd, then there is plane of symmetry, that is chiral, and hence it is achiral. If n is even, that is achiral, there is plane of symmetry. Okay, here n is even, hence it is chiral, no plane of symmetry, chiral center. Okay. Okay, then we'll see how to determine the RS notation of this type of molecule, Allene biphenyl Spiro hemispiro compound. Here you are saying you are viewing from this direction. Okay, you are viewing from this direction. Hence, these two bonds are in one plane. Okay, these two bonds. First, you have to give the priority order those bonds which are in one plane. Okay, these two bonds are in one plane, and these two bonds are above and below the plane. Okay. Okay, you are seeing from this direction, and these two bonds are in one plane, and these two bonds are above and below, and this bond is towards you, and this bond is away from you, and these two bonds are in one plane. Okay, you have to remember three rules. Give 1 and 2 priority. Those two bonds are in one plane. These two bonds are in one plane, and so you have to give 1 and 2 according to CIP rule, and give third and fourth priority two bonds which are above or below the plane. Here you are seeing from this direction, and this bond is above and this is below. According to CIP rule, you have to give the priority rule 3 and 4. Then if the fourth priority above, answer is reverse. Means if the fourth priority is above the plane, this will get a fourth priority. And yeah, answer is reverse, means if the rotation is clockwise then it is S configuration, if the rotation is anti-clockwise it is R configuration. Then fourth rule, if the fourth priority below answer is as it is. If the fourth priority is below the plane, that means away from U, then answer is as it is, means if the rotation is clockwise then it is R configuration, if the rotation is anti-clockwise then it is S configuration. Okay, then we'll see some of the example here. Example here we'll see, this is NH2 above the plane, this is hydrogen below the plane, this is ethyl in the plane. Okay, 1 2 3 4, and it is S configuration. Okay, then another example we'll see, that was the question GATE 2017. Okay, see here the compound in R configuration is, this is the question GATE 2017. Okay, and you have to determine the R configuration of from all these option. You are saying here this is a chiral center, because plane of symmetry it is also a chiral center. So you have to say here from this and this which one is has R configuration, and according to the rule these two bonds are in one plane, and you have to the first and second priority here, 1 2 3 4th. Yes, but R configuration. And see again here, 1 2 3 4th, R but S configuration. Okay, the answer is A. Okay, we'll see again the another example, that is Spiro compound. This is Br, this is hydrogen, then this is methyl. This will get first and second, third, fourth priority. This is R configuration. Okay, second one, this bond is above, and these two bonds are in one plane, 1 2 3 4. Here fourth priority is above the plane. Okay, 1 2 4 3. This is R but S configuration, because fourth priority is above the plane. Okay, then we'll see hemispiro compound. Some of the hemispiro compound. This is methyl, and this is hydrogen, and this will get first priority, second priority, third priority, fourth priority. This is S configuration. Okay, again we'll see another example. This is methyl, this is hydrogen, and this is hydrogen, and this is NH2, and 1 2 3 4, and this is R configuration. Okay, then we'll see some biphenyl system. Biphenyl system. This is NO2 and this is NO2. Okay, first, second, third and fourth. S configuration. Okay, then we say binapthyl compound. Okay, this is OH and here is OH. And in this biphenyl system, here also it has like this, it is above, and you have to give attention here, these two bond, these two ring, and in this ring this is above and these two are in one plane, so this will get first priority and this is second, this is third and this is fourth. Okay, and the configuration is S, so S configuration it is. Okay, okay, thank you.